Good morning fellas, good morning from Amata Resort in Patong City. It's almost 6 a.m. in the morning, the weather is little bit cloudy, and today we are going a boat trip to James Bond Island. The pickup time is at 7:45 a.m. And as you see, our trip is to James Bond Island in Phang Nga Bay, one of the essential tours you can make once you are visiting Phuket Island. Our driver was on time, and the van was ready to pick us to the pier, so we had a ride around 30 minutes from our hotel. Once we arrived to the pier, we had registered our names and took colored ribbons to put on our hands as marks. Now our first stop was at the tour shop near the pier, where you can make some shopping and buy stuff that you might need in the trip. And after that, we had some coffee and cookies, complimentary served along the way. So after some shopping and light breakfast, we went walking to the pier. Here we had to buy tickets which were 25 baht to enter the pier. And after that to take those mini pickups which took us to the boats. So we started our journey, and we were lucky because it was cloudy but not raining. As I said, now it's low season and could rain in any minute. If it's your first time having an island trip in Thailand, the views of the limestone rocks and the greenish colored waters will amaze you while you are heading into your destination.
Or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know.
Our first stop in the trip was in Phang Nga Bay, where we had a 30 minutes canoe ride along the emerald waters and inside the caves under the limestone rocks. The experience is amazing, so don't stay in the big boat and take the ride. After the canoe riding, we were back to the big boat and it was time to head to our main destination, to James Bond Island. Here we had to take small long-tail boats since big boats are not allowed to enter those places, so that they won't destroy the coral life of the islands. Finally, here we are in Phang Nga Bay to explore this national park. At the beginning, you have many shops selling pearls and some sea accessories and clothing, so if you are into shopping souvenirs. In another place, some people are exploring the surrounding caves and some are even hiking, so it's another option. But we are not here for shopping or hiking, so let's walk inside and check this famous limestone standing in the middle of the sea, where James Bond by itself made it popular. So, moment of truth. This is the picture that we see in the most popular backgrounds. Here we are standing in front of it. You can take here many great pictures, but my advice to you, keep walking inside, where you can climb some stairs along some rocky ways, and you will reach a point where you can take much more beautiful pictures, including limestone in your background. Now you can continue walking downstairs till you reach the shore, from the other side, if you like to take more pictures. All over, the tour guide will let you spend around 1 hour in the island, so it's up to you what to do. So after walking around and having some amazing pictures here and there, we were back and spent some time exploring around till it was time to take our long tail boats and back to the big boat.
Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know.
All in all, it was a beautiful place to see and experience it live. And moreover, the weather was so helpful, since we were in August and it was not raining, especially in Phang Nga Bay.
We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time.
Here we were back to the big boat and it was time for us to relax and enjoy some food and light snacks along the way. As a conclusion, the tour starts at around 8 a.m. in the morning, and it will last 7 to 8 hours depending on the boat ride. And you will have some canoe rides in the sea and a stop in an island to swim. Visit Phang Nga Bay and James Bond Island, on-board lunch and refreshments, and back to the pier around 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
You here by my side, my tropical love.
The way back is little bit boring, since it's about 1.5 hour non-stop ride back to the pier, and you will be totally exhausted from the sea, but all in all is fun.
And I wanted to be here.
I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more from Live Love Thailand.